What is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan shooting it, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video we are going to be naming some 3D shapes. Before I even begin showing you what a 3D shape is, I'm actually going to tell you what 3D stands for. Now 3D stands for 3-dimensional. So I don't know if you watched my video on 2D shapes, you probably guessed it already, that stands for 2-dimensional. But today we're going to focus on 3-dimensional shapes, which is also known as 3D shapes. Now I could easily take you to the edit screen and just show you pictures of shapes and explain them all, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, we're going to explore this park that I've come to today, and I'm just going to show you some 3D shapes to prove that you don't just learn them in boring old school, you also use them in real life. So as you can see here, we have a cube, and a cube is one of the many 3D shapes that we're going to be looking at today. So facts about a cube are it has 6 faces. So that's the rectangle or square bit in front of you there. It also has, as you can see here, it has edges, and it has a total of 12 edges. And finally, I don't know if you can see, we've got the vertices, and these are also known as corners of the shapes, and a cube has a grand total of 8 of those. Now you're probably wondering why on earth Mr. Ryan is recording a bin. I mean, a bin's for trash, right? Well, in this case, we're not using it for trash. I'm actually using it to explain my next 3D shape, which is a cuboid. As you can see, it goes all the way around. A cuboid actually has the same amount of faces, edges, and vertices as a cube. So it actually has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And as you can see, it looks slightly different to a cube. While most of a cuboid is rectangular, it also has a couple of square faces. In this case, this cuboid has a square face here and underneath. Unfortunately, we can't get underneath the shape, but the rest of it is a rectangular scenario where it has rectangular faces. And here we've got a cylinder. Now a cylinder actually has 3 faces. Our first face is this circular face here. Then our next face is the circular face down at the bottom. Unfortunately we can't see it because it's nailed to the ground. And then our third face is right here, which is this rectangular bit. As you can see, it goes all the way around, it looks exactly the same. Now what's different about a cylinder, it actually only has 2 edges, and it doesn't have any vertices at all, so it's a lot different compared to the cube and the cuboid. Now up next we've got a cone, and cones are, well, you see them all the time, especially when you're eating your ice cream. So this cone actually only has 2 faces, and the 2 faces are the face here, which is the circular shape, and then we've got the face here, which again goes all the way around and is exactly the same shape. A cone also only has 1 edge and 1 vertex. Now I was very lucky to find this shape, but this shape is actually a triangular prism. Now a triangular prism has the following properties. Firstly, it has 5 faces, so we've got 1 face here, 1 face there, that's 2, another face here, that's 3, and all the way back here we've got the 4th face, and then the 5th face is the face just above here. A triangular prism also has 9 edges and 6 vertices. And now it's time for the 3D shapes quiz. So on the screen here I've got a 3D shape. I want you to name the shape, tell me how many faces it has, how many vertices it has, and how many edges it has. And guys, if you were paying attention, you would have got the following answer. You would have got the 3D shape is called a cylinder. It has 3 faces. It has 2 edges. And it doesn't have any vertices at all. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the video there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.